Picture a keyboard that not only stays in step with your gaming adventures but also becomes your unwavering ally in the digital domain. Introducing the Redragon OLAF K648, a wired mechanical keyboard featuring an aluminum base, a 90% layout, and the sleek design of a compact 1800 keyboard. Upon initial observation, the Redragon OLAF K648 appears akin in dimensions to a compact 1800 keyboard, encompassing the majority of keys present on a standard full-size keyboard. Boasting a total of 94 keys, the OLAF K648 maintains most of the components found on a full-size keyboard, encompassing dedicated arrow keys and a numeric pad, numpad. However, it excludes the plus key and enter key. Remarkably, the OLAF K648's numpad isn't a complete rendition. It comprises only 3 columns instead of the usual 4. The Redragon OLAF K648 showcases a robust aluminum build, featuring a recessed keybed accompanied by an elevated frame and rail grooves configuration, facilitating the seamless integration of the detachable palm rest and phone holder. The palm rest, composed entirely of plastic and equipped with 2 rubber feet, and the phone holder, similarly constructed with plastic and rubber, exhibit a distinct material quality compared to the premium feel of the rest of the keyboard. Incorporating magnetic attachments for both the palm rest and phone holder would have enhanced the durability and user-friendliness. A noteworthy detail regarding the phone holder is its standalone utility, capable of functioning independently without being affixed to the keyboard. The phone holder's measurements stand at 10.5 cm in depth, 7 cm in length, and 1 cm in thickness. In comparison, the palm rest spans 36 cm in length, 7 cm in depth, and 3 cm in thickness. When the feet rises are extended, the upper row of keys achieves a height of 5 cm, while the lower row sits at 3 cm. Without the feet, the top row's elevation is 4 cm. The dimensions of the OLAF K648 keyboard encompass 35.5 cm in length, 13 cm in depth, and a weight of 1.1 kg. The aluminum construction not only ensures longevity but also serves as a secure foundation during demanding gaming sessions. The provided removable wrist support and phone holder serve as valuable inclusions, augmenting the overall user experience. The wrist support effectively reduces fatigue during prolonged use, while the accompanying phone stand proves advantageous for staying connected to notifications without disrupting your gaming momentum. Located on the rear side of the OLAF K648 keyboard, you'll encounter robust feet risers with a single height adjustment feature. These risers boast significant height, accompanied by a robust hinge and substantial rubber grips for added stability. Within its internal structure, the Redragon OLAF K648 employs north-facing LEDs coupled with hot swappable sockets that support both 3-pin and 5-pin switches. Additionally, the keyboard incorporates dense EVA foam, strategically positioned between the aluminum top plate and PCB board. Equipped with HUANO red linear switches, the keyboard stock switches deliver a notable performance. The RGB lighting, while not the most intense, showcases a decent vibrancy